For data set 2, we're going to be classifying different substances and classifying these substances as being solids, liquids, or gases. We have 10 different products. And these different products or materials, they may fall only into one category, meaning only fall into the solid category, or only fall into the liquid category, or only fall into the gas category. Or one or more of these substances may fall into 2 or 3 of the classifications of matter. So that's what we're going to do now, is we're going to use our senses, mostly of touch and of sight, and I will describe to you as far as the touch or the feel aspects of each substance. And then you'll also visually view each substance, and then you need to make a decision. Is this substance a solid? Is it a liquid? Is it a gas? Or is it a solid and a liquid? Or is it a liquid and a gas? Or is it a solid and a gas? And so if you feel the substance falls into more than one category, then you'll write the name of that substance into each of those categories on your data table for data set 2. So our first substance is called oobleck. Oobleck is a mixture of cornstarch and water. So I'm going to just use my gloves. And so as I pick it up, it is rigid. It feels rigid. It feels semi-solid like. But when I hold it up, it's runny. It flows like a liquid. But when I touch it, it has structure. So it feels like a solid. Then I can take some of it and I can roll it kind of into a ball, but then the ball only remains a ball for a second, and then it kind of liquefies and runs again. So therefore, we need to make a decision. Is this a solid? Is it a liquid? Or is it a gas? So let's talk about each of those 3 choices. We said earlier when we looked at data set 1 that a solid is a substance that has its own shape and its own volume. A liquid has its own volume, but a liquid does not have its own shape. A liquid takes on the shape of whatever container that it is residing in. And then finally, gases neither have their own shape nor do they have their own volume. Gases expand to fill the volume of whatever container that they're in. Gases also expand to fit the shape of the container that they're in. So now with those 3 definitions of solid, liquid, and gas explained, make a decision about the oobleck. Is it a solid? Is it a gas? Is it a liquid? Or does it fall into more than one category?